Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hi, this is Nur Nabi Islam. We are Muslims. We are Muslim peoples. Palestine's Muslims peoples. Gaza's Muslim peoples. We should support Palestine. We should support every Gaza's peoples. We support Palestine. Free Palestine. We should reject Israel's product. We should reject Israel product. We should reject Israel product. We support Gaza. We support Palestinians. They are very closed. We are brothers, each everyone very close. So we should reject Israel's products. We should support Gaza's peoples. Thanks a lot, everyone.